Alright, that's my picture.
Glory be to the most I give thanks to life, burn down to the ground. You know what I mean? If first you watch a channel, please do subscribe. You know what I mean? Like we say, we're up on the sale, you know. That's a lot of 2 cars. You will get enough offer, but still not get the deal we want yet. So them still up on sale. Alright? So check them out in at the end, man. 2 cars for sale. We have more very soon unleashed, but for now we have 2. Let's go.
I had some band. I had some band. I had some band. Look how we want. Let me tell you about Jamaica. Reggae make you feel sweet. No problem in Jamaica. We keep it jamming in the street. Welcome to Jamaica, the sweet little island in the sun. And when you come to Jamaica, you see some fun can done. 7 Mile of Whites and Pandini grill side. Linkski connection and go for a ride. Horseback riding for a sailing in the day. Then go and watch the sunset at the Rigs Cafe. Cool on is water park for the whole family. Or Dolphin Cove on the way to my bay. I do the rafting down by Martha Bray. At Margaritaville you can chill all day. Let me tell you about Jamaica. Reggae make you feel sweet. No problem in Jamaica. We keep it jamming in the street. Welcome to Jamaica, sweet little island in the sun. And when you come to Jamaica, you see some fun can done. The curves and turn a firm gully. You're in Jamaica, so don't hurry. Don't pass the craft item vendor. You have to purchase things to remember. Ripe banana, mangoes and sweets up. And the birds singing sweet songs in the treetop. Bob Marley Museum, let's go see that. You see in Jackson record, we gonna eat that. Let me tell you about Jamaica. Reggae make you feel sweet. No problem in Jamaica. We keep it jamming in the street. Welcome to Jamaica, the sweet little island in the sun. And when you come to Jamaica, you see some fun can done. This is the land of wood and water, where love and respect we never shut up. From anywhere in the world, you're welcome on ya. Let me take a time out, big up every farmer. Push out a fire, make the back boil up. Can't run out of food because the day you pile up. See the Duns River there, make a climb up. Emancipation Park, you can join us. Let me tell you about Jamaica. Reggae make you feel sweet. No problem in Jamaica. We keep it jamming in the street. Welcome to Jamaica, the sweet little island in the sun. And when you come to Jamaica, you see the fun can done. The fun can done. No, the fun can done. You see the sun, you see the sun. Fun in the sun. Yeah. Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica. Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica. Blessed land, blessed people. We come with love and we burn out all of the evil. Rasta come with love from Jamaica.
Hello, mommy. What?
No, me there, me just get some garbage go out on the road. Yeah. You can't get one of foreign girl over there for me. And get one for daddy too, cause that's not one. No, I do what I do in life. Yeah, me I meet for a man and I just some girl with me I can't go out the road for daddy. No, sir. Alright, see if I can get a girl for me and get one for daddy too, cause daddy not know man. Alright, man, I can't back in the man.
Ah. Want me carry, but you want to know, we got a beach yesterday and sand of the car, so I left the car wash. As soon as I get the car, I can carry it. So you're not going to go something?
Yeah, but me and creeping here first that no one get over with it because it grew up bad man.
Alright, so do what you do. You're going to check if the car ready, but cook something like that come back. Alright?
Where you go?
Now go for the car if you take care of the car wash. So cook something like that come back.
Where's the mommy? Me? Oh, that is good, man. Yeah, I think about you. Yeah. Oh, and I think about him. Daddy, a fool, you know. Joe, I have to go buy clothes then, man. Of course, I'll be the ring boy. Alright. Daddy, I'm married, you know.
So where you think that was about?
Mommy invite me already.
So
Mama find new boyfriend and come and see
the
me.
mother move on, so what expects me to do? No move on, I move on to.
Where am I?
You soon see, man. Yeah? You soon see. When the new stepmother come inside here. Well, alright.
You're not already.
Come on, show it. Yeah, sense. Boy. Yo, more you watch how me I grow myself and I see myself to deal with yourself. Yeah? Nobody make no woman come take a finna eat that, you know.
I'm trying to figure that. But daddy, for me I say, the need to get a woman and a full time.
No, I know your problem that. You hear me say?
The way you're going in this way then. Because then this way you're going in this and then I'm not myself.
What me I going with?
My charm type, Emily. Ooh.
Hey boy, you hear?
Daddy.
Move fire some after manners, man.
Daddy. The team man, daddy.
Yo, get up fire some man. You look at dirty argument them fire some. Move fire some man. I'm gonna take up some book. I go find something in a yard, man. You have manners.
You're too old.
Find something in a yard to do, man. You come to man and look at dirty argument there.
I make it on dating app here, daddy.
Get a wush dating up. You think some soft?
But daddy.
Or you think some oh,
daddy, yeah.
she even not talking with you. Yeah. You want to tumble on your dirty boy. Same thing where you go with him there.
We got a minute of your time now. around.
Yeah, come around now. What you have to?
You know, so I want to make the sun so hot in the morning. Jesus, say hot more. Anyways, I pass and see you. Can't turn up.
What do you want to see? What's your problem?
Yeah, I can do it. Anyways, out I really see my pass and I say, oh, you come on here and you know, you look nice. Yeah, you hear me?
Me a hear you.
Me I say you look nice. This is what I want to get to know you.
Okay. Where's a while ago?
I say, but I want to get to know you.
I want to get to know me. You know me from nowhere? Your first say I see me.
Yeah, but you don't
Oh,
believe.
you know if me not taken. You just want to know me, so?
You don't believe in love at first sight.
No. No, not go so.
If me never come and talk to you, you can never know. Me can't just see about this and say take it and now come yeah talk.
Well, me taken. You can't get to know me.
Well,
I'm saying something here so me can hear properly.
you may say no. That's it. Well, you can't never go on the side, you see me? That's not wrong.
Me not believe in that style. Me never tell someone outside, man. Me alright with the man when me have. Who is you?
See, I tell me, say I waste some time. You waste my time.
Yeah, in the sun.
Well, me understand you, but I at least can get your number. Nothing wrong with that.
Alright. But do not call me certain time. You have a phone?
Yeah.
Give me my put my number in it. And don't call me certain time. If me I block you. Here. Your name is who? Xavier. Okay, Xavier. Nice to meet you. I am Keisha. Yes. Go on now. Let go my hand now. Go on now. Alright then. Do not call me certain time. Alright.
Let me tell you about Jamaica. Reggae make you feel sweet. No problem in Jamaica. We keep it jamming in the street. Welcome to Jamaica, the sweet liquor island in the sun.
Pretty girl like you walking her son.
Yeah, shut me out.
Man should have do that. Come over here so let me talk to you. Your man should have your complexion too brown and nice for your walk. Come over a little more and I could. Please, me know why you're born. What is your name?
Keisha.
My name is Jota, aka Bad Boy. You see me?
Bad boy.
No, man, yeah, like a little bleaching clean the right sir.
No, I'm not bleaching.
What is that? Oh, orange. Alright, do.
Yeah, me alright, man.
And where do you say your name again?
Keisha.
Keisha. Anyway, you say I got a shop still. You walk you to the shop and you know nothing.
Alright.
Because he's a nice guy like that, you know.
I can see that.
So what you spend a day? Like, you can cook and stuff.
Now,
Why the man will have you and tell him, look, come.
And when you come to Jamaica, you see the fun can done. 7 mile of whites and pan in the grill side. Link ski connection and go for a ride. Horseback riding, power sailing in the day. Then go and watch the sunset at the Rigs Cafe. Cool runnings water park for the whole family. Or Dolphin Cove on the way to my bay.
yeah. What? Is it to me, no? Me tell us me you don't. Okay. Right now, I want different man. I run off a thing right now. You understand me? So I don't need you again. So just do your thing and just do not call my phone. Don't call about my phone. You understand me? And if you find out say I come fun, you're not gonna like it. Do not come fun. A different man me want and a different man I go take. I do not need you back in my life. Crosses.
Same thing me I go through around a yard, you know.
Bye. I soon call her back. Besides, I not call her back.
Same thing me I go through around a yard with my personal woman. Right now me and I broke up kawa. She just in a me ears, in a me ears, in a me ears. And I can't tell the nang nang, you know. So I go on, everything alright?
Yeah, me alright, you know, Jutta.
Just start. So, you know,
Me alright.
up on a road I'm living, you know. The same girl when me meet on this, you know.
Oh, yeah. My same girl, man.
On my road, this is the pan, you know.
Which one?
What this,
Oh, the way there?
I
Okay.
can't go show where I live. With the exchange number?
No.
Full number on phone.
You want to put in it?
I know the name already, isn't it?
Yeah. A good door.
Yeah, man, come on, show you over our family.
Alright.
Show you. Probably can get one ice water for you.
Alright.
Right, that's someone, isn't it?
Alright, that's all?
You carry in there, isn't it? Yeah. So that's 2 more.
Not bad.
Alright, so I'm the only son is actually, isn't it? My daughter's still, but she don't really come and go. You know them really?
You have a son?
Yeah, I have a son. Bob! Big boy, you know. Bob! Come here, my son. This is your new mother-in-law, isn't it?
Huh?
New mother-in-law? But we never discussed that. Your son this?
Yeah, I'm son this.
I think we
Big
see him
one.
already.
You know, see me, you know.
Anyway,
How you find out? How you get on?
I'm a girlfriend this. You see? Just say nice to meet
So she
you.
not no man.
Just say nice to meet her.
Nice to meet you, girlfriend.
Nice to meet
understand?
you too.
Yeah. Shake hands and go.
Nice.
Boy, you boy can't have no manners. Let me tell you something, she be a mother-in-law. And that me I try to show you, you're not shake her hand. What kind of style that?
Let me hear that.
Make him go on in, man. Nice to meet
No
you.
catch up now, go on here, some man. Come here. Come on.
Like he not no manners.
Sit down here. You know, saw the boy I'm with.
So what now?
Bit water here, drink and
No man, me alright
then
man.
me discuss about when me hear that thing.
Yeah man, I can't sit down we discussing. We don't need no water.
Alright then, say that. Alright, first question. How far we can reach?
How
In your
far?
thinkings. Where you see already. If you like where you see, you understand?
Yeah, I'm a nice man as me can see so far. But I'll give me some time to think about.
Time when me not have, because remember say me I get me a big man and me go get old, you know. You understand? Me not have hold it per time. Right now, more than I put on one more watch. I swear.
Alright then.
Give me a try, man. Me prove to you and show you say me a good man. I mean a general, you know.
Alright then, I go try. Yeah. Okay then.
Try it.
Yeah. I give you a chance,
See, I'm
man.
here there now.
Yeah.
Ready for your ice water?
No man, me alright as me say. Me have to come go away now. But a son, you need to talk to him kind of like he no man else.
No worries about that, man. If me and you go live, we can't just put him somewhere else or put him out.
No, I can't put him on. Remember your son,
Make
you
him
know.
stay somewhere else then.
No, you can't do that.
Me have a next room when you can make him stay,
Oh.
understand? Because I don't want him mingle around you.
Okay.
So,
Alright then, me have to come go away now, so later.
alright.
Alright.
Take
yeah.
care, yeah?
Yeah,
Me
take care.
follow you.
Alright.
Well, next time, me have a drink, man. Yeah?
Yeah, man. Alright, later.
Yeah, man. Take care, yeah?
Let me tell you about Jamaica. Reggae make you feel sweet. No problem in Jamaica. We keep it jamming in the street. Welcome to Jamaica, the sweet liquor island in the sun.
How is she?
No, I'm not ready.
I'm going to shake hand and what's going on.
Can move that brother? You insult me, brother.
No.
That's just one shake and I eat. That's nice meeting you.
Daddy, you want to shake it. You want to shake and
You can't talk that. You can't a young boy talk about you shake it.
Now go for the reverse.
But if you move, do that move there, you move shake it, brother.
No, I tell you.
Alright, do
different.
it.
Feel, man. Keep
Go on, do it. Do it, man. Whatever. It is what it is.
Come on. What problem, little boy?
Yeah, listen, I don't understand. What they going between you and my father?
Where you feel like I go on?
No, it's like a relationship thing on our child build. So how you tell me say I'm man?
Better know your business, little boy. It's enough. Your business? Me is going to be your stepmother.
Yeah, listen, you, mama, I don't like you look at you anymore. Me used to like you at first, me not like you again.
Why?
You can't be my stepmother.
Why?
My stepmother, them have to have class, you know.
So who not class?
Little girl, don't play with me. Don't do that. Don't do that. Try that with my father, don't try that with me.
What you call little girl?
My...
Little boy?
Listen, my stepmother, them have class, you know, no class. You understand? You're low class, you don't have any class. When you
This
have
is
class,
me?
you can't
How are you going to do a while ago?
Hey, listen to me. I don't come out of it. Yeah, my father, man, but my thump in your mouth, girl. No.
You don't know nothing about me. And when the fox can't get the grape, him say it's sour. So I'll go with my business and you have a nice day. Because you see you now, you cannot get me. You come and talk about this and talk about that.
That is not the thing, you know.
That is the thing. Because at first, you never did talk to me so. But I know where you want, I know where you want, but I will go get you. Me, I'm going to be your stepmother.
Hey, listen to me. This girl, I will slap you in your face. Hey girl, I don't business.
Go on to your father.
You know?
I'm going to tell you you don't have any respect and manners to me.
Hey, listen to me.
Kiku.
Listen.
Kiku.
Over my yard.
So boy, go on home.
You understand?
I understand. Go on home.
You see when I come on my yard, my father's yard, don't address me as no stepson. Talk to me naturally. You don't have to deal with nothing. You don't have to deal with me.
Listen to me. Me, I'm going to be your stepmother. No matter what you want. Yeah.
Hey, listen,
yeah, me, I'm going to be your stepmother. And when time come over your yard and you disrespect me, just know say me I give some box in your face. And I'm manners. I'm going to my business.
Hello. Meet your pet mama. As she are these things now. I understand.
Don't do me.
Me no look young.
Hello, my stepdaughter.
You see me?
Nice to meet you. What you doing?
Me no look young.
Which part are you looking?
Look how good. Let's do it clean.
It's the owner for it.
Girl, let's do it clean.
Anyway, we're going to check about our money in the video.
Money. Yeah.
Remember, you know, when time you pick me out, you're coming up with no money, no. But you still have no money after tomorrow. No money, you have something to deal with.
Looking at top drawing this off the girl.
Okay.
What's wrong with that?
How are your name?
It's done.
I'm going to put the jar in the water.
What can I say again?
I'm going to come over here next week. Come here.
What's wrong with that?
I do.
What's wrong with you? Yeah.
Yeah, what do something you know? So you call me here?
Yeah, I'm going to really go the umbrella.
No, I'm just around about this one. Hope to see you next time with that time. Where are you? Yeah, with that time, man. So your name? More than my name, baby. Go on home. Alright, me Alia. Okay, Alia.
I'm first class, I want.
What's it there? You there? You there on the umbrella though?
What's your problem?
Yeah. Am I turn now?
Turn?
Yeah.
Turn to do what?
Eh? Not turn thing I'm going on, so. Password donkey. Not my time now.
Yes, Abu.
My time. If you get, you see me get a chance now because.
The chance now? With what? What kind of chance?
With you,
want?
mama.
With who? Little boy.
So girl.
Me's a stepmother.
Listen, you're not my stepmommy. Miss is like a password donkey thing I want, so. I wanna. You see me? My turn now.
Your father has no money, but he have a little thing. So I want to work with him, I can't work with him because he's broke.
Mama.
And the next man they never take up after richer than your father. He's not richer
Mama,
than your father.
listen to me now. Listen to me. Let me tell you this. Listen to me. Listen to me now. Might not have no money now, you know, but you see, I have plan to go do this scamming thing, you see me? So when I start scam and start make money, and you see him one, you see him look about that ears. I got the boat. You understand? So
Your butter ears no.
wait no. Let me talk to you. You see, ungrateful woman like Uno. See in the future now when you see people they have their money this and their money that and their big car. Mama, you I wanna at least somebody. You may pass up and road me apply show because you have no ambition. You know sometimes you have to start from nowhere to somewhere. You just want to jump so mama.
Look boy, I'm not gonna argue with you, yeah? Anyways, I'm going to go on the road. So if your father come, please I'm going on the road. Come.
Don't jump on the road, you know. Tell daddy, you know, cause daddy, if you see what I see, hear what I see, you know. Yeah, Pops. Me tell us I don't like your man we have here, you know. You know, so I say you want to say I chat to care, man.
They don't like the girl. Why you don't like her?
Because me not trust her, me know. I hear me see her. Oh, that's so.
No.
Oh, that's so. No, I chat to care, man. Out the road, so I see me chat to care, man. Tell us I don't like her, you know. I see Debbie upon the girl, you know. See? Look, daddy. No she that. No for your woman that day. No for your woman that day. Eh?
It's alright.
Oh.
Probably a good one, friend.
Which friend? And in my flirt, so.
That good man.
But daddy, watch my kiss off him, daddy. Watch my blow kiss, daddy.
That me see already. Watch her come in, man.
Watch her. Me tell you, you see the woman they go be a downfall in her life. Suck out
You a big
money.
man in a wife, me get a one downfall. You learn off of my mistake.
Of course, me learn off of your mistake.
Alright, so it's alright then. Make sure you learn.
Alright, look at me now, learn now. Me tell you about them woman here. No, you are my pa, but short my money.
Where are you arguing with me?
No, daddy, me not argue with you. Big up person, me not argue with you. Me you can't say me never tell her do no, daddy. You can't say me never tell her.
Alright.
Daddy, I good, me want for you, you know?
Bob.
Alright.
The curves and turn a firm gully. You're in Jamaica, so don't hurry. Don't pass the craft like them vendor. You have to purchase things to remember. Ripe banana, mangoes and sweets up. And the birds singing sweet songs in the treetop. Bob Marley Museum, let's go see that. You see in Jackson record, we gonna eat that. Let me
Tell us, yo, yeah, you make me dear, man. You really come check eye, you know what I mean?
Watch him.
Hello, little boy. Where your father?
Well, no can call little boy me.
Where your father there?
You know, say me see her, you know, me see her. Me see her with the car man down there, so. Me see her with the car man down there, so the man at the black wish, the Rasta bubble head man, me see her. You love Rasta, so. My girl, you know, you come,
Listen to me. I know how you talk to me. You understand that?
So my father that as much as how in Guani, I'm my father, I look out for me now. I come in my father life, come ruin for my father life. Come here and say I take most of money, I forget, you know. I forget me look at allowance at daytime.
Listen to me. You're a big boy. Your father no need to give you no money. You understand that?
Listen.
And listen to me now. You talk about you see all this with car man. Are you a business? Tell your father no. And you see what me do with you. Understand that?
So wait. How you have so much chat and I done see this already? Eh?
Listen to me.
How you have so much chat?
Little boy, listen to me when me I said to you now. Me's a stepmother. And I know everything you see, you're supposed to chat.
So
chat too much.
In my father's house. Me chat too much in my father's house. Me chat too much in my father's house. He's up our father. He's up our father. Wait, yeah. In my own father's house, I tell me chat too much. I'm gonna pressure. Lift up out of this. Lift up out of this. Three door. Which way to which father come? Come guy a yard girl. Yeah, come chat boy. You know when a father say I come tell bad man say they chat too much. Yo, me bust up your hey. Right. Girl, played me here.
You know, someone go over your yard and we go look for you.
What am I tell you?
Your son, he lick me.
Him do what?
Yeah, he fight me.
Him fight you. Him lick you. You sure say him lick you?
Yeah, he lick me, Jota, he lick me.
Come here, go over there.
Me not back over there, you know? Me not back over there.
Does more know if him lick you for true?
He lick me for try, you
He
know me
lick
not.
you?
Yeah, I swear.
Daddy, how are you, Daddy? Yo, man. Daddy, Daddy, they see me can't. Lick up. We are talking what? Yo, Danny, me can't tell him thing here in the youth. You not to know what I go on. Your man I give you a bun and me I try to tell us your man I give you a bun. Me I try to tell us your man I give you a bun and you not listen to me.
When I try to tell me say,
you put woman over me. Eh? You come in here and kill me with lick. Me I try to tell us your woman I give you, but everything good, man.
But that no concern you, or that me I tell you, that no concern you.
I can't see you from what there. Where you there?
Some busy.
I guess you have different man, different family, you know.
No, we are talking about where you get that from?
I mean alone.
Yeah, you're alone.
You better make sure. Because me are here upon the, you understand?
People always talk things.
More you get your license, because I go fly out. When I fly out, you go get the car for go and run it off. You understand?
As soon as possible.
A progress we are deal with, me not really talk things. And by the time I come and buy one more car, I will give the new one. And I go take the old one back from you.
Yeah, do that.
So I buy one bigger Jeep because you have my own money for drive bigger car, better
so
car than
when
me.
you have a license?
Soon you know, man. Even like tomorrow. We you get the learners first.
Yeah,
and then after the learners. You know what I mean?
It's a big license.
Come on, like you check me once a while, like you say you're busy. You're too busy some my time, man.
I'm busy. I have to get some things done.
You talk about, man.
What's up?
Hey brother, this
Yeah.
Hey brother.
Hey, brother. I saw, that's why I should have believed what my son was saying. No.
But what go on really?
You know, I'm glad. Rasta, you can't hug her up, Rasta. I'm glad, you see you? I'm glad how it happened like this. I'm sorry how me disrespect on you know. But me that go spend whole heap of money for you. I'm glad how you should have tell me say you have a man. If you never tell me say, if you tell me say you have a man, now I won't come here so come and go on so. But you see, uno have some people where we get people in a trouble youth. But you remember broke your foot.
And your boyfriend then? You say your brother, but your boyfriend?
No, Rasta. Look here. And I'm a girl, you know. And I'm a girl. And you're a girl. See? You hear that? Have a nice day, man. Have a nice life. You hear that?
Don't mind him. I'm a little friend.
Hey, look a friend, now can I give him a place?
Little friend, man.
Hey, look a friend, man. You kind of rough, though. How much lie you tell me differently?
I'm not telling a lie. You listen now. You make it go decent for me.
I have to go check your back.
Why? So you change your mind all of a sudden?
No, because you want to know. You have to fix up a thing. I don't understand it.
Me just tell my friend.
You say I can't come here yard and I can't see a certain time. No, I realize maybe I have a man for true. Because then tell me, say I have a man in me, I said, no. But I can't see you now and then you sneak, come give me a look up piece and run back. So I try to read between the lines. No, you're busy with, you're busy with the local friends. You know, I come cut and touch on the road and I have things to do. Alright, so we talk though.
So you have to do this for me?
Yeah, no, yeah, man.
Yeah,
no, because I have something to deal with. I go find myself one liquor friend too.
What liquor friend too, if you do what?
No, I must say, you have a liquor friend. We have a male, I have to go find myself one liquor friend. We have a female too.
No, you need a female friend. I'm the only female friend you need.
Listen.
You may have anything.
We just have something a while ago, you know, in our car back here, you know. And we good.
Nah, that is something I talk about. Anyway, just link me tomorrow.
Yeah, man. Don't call me, me go call you, yeah? Me call you. You try to lock down the trunk before you left, but you go on. Take man for idiot.
Alright, my son. Boy, I have to be a man to come tell you this. No, you vex and feel away when I lick you with this thing now.
Correction, you beat me. I beat my wife on that.
Me ain't of them nowadays talking. Me I tell us, me I try to tell you something.
Alright, then talk your talk.
Cause me I try to tell you something sorry for me lick your car. Me believe you now, you know, cause I go out there go see her with man, you know.
Oh, you burn you know.
You burn me what? I learn off of my mistake them. And you feel learn off of my mistake them too.
I learn off of your mistake them. You come in here, you see you me big eye, you know, broke up my foot, you know, because I want piece of woman.
Yeah, cause you know put your hand on people. Poor she decide that she go press charges.
Daddy, she asked me when she do, he come in here and dig out her face so.
Alright, I'm gonna tell you the truth, my son. Me I talk to her, me never yet ask her if she have no money yet. Between me and you. You get me? Me never yet ask her that. Just I try to come now and tell her I'm sorry as a big man. I'm sorry I'm put me on fire. In another way there. You accept it, sir?
Yeah, man.
And that me I talk about, man. Me not this straight out argument, nothing. Just make sure you learn.
Yeah, learn.
You know, I forgot to say something I'm going for. Rastafari. You tired of fishing?
No, you come to beg when you get a chance.
Like chance like what? What do you mean chance?
Because the time when you did see me, it was a mistake.
A joke on me.
I'm not joke at you.
So you're a Rasta man.
Rasta man come to me.
Look here. I don't want them joke, man.
A joke?
Like, you girl. You see, throw your tattoo up yourself and throw your fix up your teeth. And so you try to fix up my thing. And that's how I do it, man. Have a nice time, yeah? And that's how I do it, man. Cause, yeah, come and I tell me, say, yeah, man, a big ugly man like me, you know. When I make one mistake, it done for me, you know. Yeah, man, look for a nice girl like you. One mistake, a one chance I get, man.
So we say, you can't write back. That's how it is?
Plain. But do your thing, man. And I feel no way if I see it. You understand? Just do your thing. Thing good. Me and your friends same way. Yeah. But you don't have to call my phone still, but me and your friends same way. You see me? But like relation wise, you know?
Alright then. One nice one.
Let's laugh. The things that me and you that. Alright, well, until
Yo, dog. Everything tell me I go on. Boy, my bucket good, you know. Yeah, man. You know, I say, I want 850 million. I want 850,000 US me gas off, boy. You know what I mean? Boy, right now I'm happy right now. I tell you, say, one of them GLE 600. One of them. What's so called about? Yeah.
How are you going to say?
What do you mean that I'm going to say? You see what you're going to say?
You don't hear what take place already. So you have money now.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so what you say?
Turn big chocolate.
Yeah.
Mama, where you depend? Come to me, Queen. Where you depend?
You have money now, so yeah, we can talk now.
Oh, we can talk, you know.
Yeah.
So, when we have no money, we can't talk. That's
I'm not really that. I'm not really that. You know me that talk to your father. So, my name never talk to your father and talk to you at the same time. But no, my father left and you have money now, so. Yeah. So that's a little thing.
You know, so still. It's true for them time, they rate up on a different level. It's true, they rate up on a different level still, and them look really. I think I'm going to give it a try, isn't it?
That's a the baby. So, I'm going to get up.
Yeah, but I make our next call.
We are
like a long time I know the nails, so I can't go the nails and I sang and fix up the hair and look style, you know? I have a look present face still, no, but you have to move right, isn't it?
Yeah, so I'm not move right.
Listen, the last girl I have a little big surprise here, and by she get a surprise, she blow it, isn't it? But
oh, she blow it?
Yeah?
Oh, she blow
one bag of something go on, isn't it? But as it's true, that's what you have to try to hold it in a certain way, isn't it?
Okay.
You make a something go on, no.
Alright, then come on.
You love the road, so man?
A good thing up on the road. So on. And cook.
Today I hear time to cook, man.
Yes, that must be
I need to talk so.
You know, some beef meat and nice girl today. That's how much time for me. Can't woman come on.
Yeah, man. As long as a woman, man. Then farmer woman.
No matter who it is.
As long as a woman.
As long as a
You know what that stay. Girl is thing. Yeah.
meet a nice girl to them and see me and I can't come
A time now, man.
Yeah, me I can't.
Time now.
I can't come here to meet her.
Because we don't want no woodlump in that place, you know.
No, sir.
No boy thing, no. Boy school no go here, so.
So you're saying I'm busy and who she be?
Just carrying your woman if you're carrying your woman, man. My footstep that.
Alright then, remember you say no. Remember you say any woman, a woman. Daddy, I'm gonna ask you again, you know. You say, you know, matter how which woman me care come as long as a woman.
What's that, granny?
I
don't know, baby.
I don't know, baby.
That woman.
That woman.
Man, I want to tell you, I'm son in a man. Do what you do, man.
So may I make a bet, you know?
A bet?
Yeah.
Yeah, bet the better.
Yeah. So you say, you know, if you have no fault when me care come here.
No, man, I have a problem with the woman, man. That's their thing, man.
Alright. I'm gonna also make sure you know.
I'm glad for you.
Alright. Alright.
Alright.
Baby, I go pick you up now. I'm not read all I use with daddy and then the forward. Alright. Yeah. Daddy, me ask you for the last time. Make sure you're good with it. Because I got shit, me and just tap on the phone or something.
Yeah, yo, you move like you know my son. You're my son, you know you.
Yeah, move like you know my father.
Just go on, man. Me clean up the place, man.
I go fear and fall, but
yeah, man.
just smoke like fun.
Do it, man.
Alright, you can't say, me never ask you. See me phone and job. So come.
Why the young people, yes, man. I tell you.
Where do you want to go there, you know?
Come on, me done with daddy already. I understand. Daddy saying alright to them thing.
Are you sure?
Yeah, you know, you daddy don't worry about you, don't worry about daddy and daddy over, you see me so. Me and you know. You understand? Daddy don't have a picture anymore. You see me? You don't talk to daddy about you and daddy saying alright, daddy saying I'm listening. You understand?
Alright then, come.
So I've moved on.
Alright.
For sure no one come. Nervousness, you see me, I just cool.
Where you walking if you can't walk?
I'm not doing like that. Daddy. Daddy. Come here, take a seat.
I don't know if you have a way I try to manipulate me now.
Yeah, that good.
Where I try? What uno I try?
What do you mean where I try?
Yeah.
Me I come, make me because me see you because you're not supposed to. Remember, you know, I've been talking to you about this thing, you know. You understand? So, me bring her come and I'm supposed to happy and greet her. Greet her, no?
Greet her.
Yes, your daughter-in-law. Greet her.
Where I try though? Where I try?
You see me if you learn half of your mistakes, you understand? I mean I learn half of your mistakes. Your mistake, you see?
So you can mistake right in front of my face, yeah.
Yes, come here and try to tell say I'm learning half of your mistakes. You understand? You get it?
Go and learn. Learn, man. Learn your food. Learn.
Okay, man. Yeah, manipulate tell them now.
I tell you I don't want to come here because I don't want drama. I come here.
I don't know drama, I'm just upset. You just don't say lose. Something you make you lose. So don't pay him down, man. Him good. Come and talk to him. I said to him, say, Daddy, is it okay? Yeah, man, carry girl, come here, man. Any girl, like any girl. I said, me can't come here. I know a problem. You know, how that person was again, Joe. You want to take time?
Sure. Yo, come on, come on. Where are they with?
Where?
No, me ask you, where are they with?
Nah, me not know where that.
This can't go on.
Why can't work?
I mean,
Remember, I come to you day. Was yesterday day before. Me plead to you to give me a next chance. And what you say to me? It can't work. Well, you do not want it, I'm going to give it to your son.
But in a female place.
What do you mean by?
No, make him
Where
find
am I?
same place.
Hey.
You hear me?
No, Daddy. Right now, it's a corruption thing I deal with. Me talk to you, you know. You understand? Me talk to you, we make a bet. And then foolish I keep up. And my woman, we are talk about. Your time over, man. Go sit down now.
No.
Come on, wow. Oh man, we relax yourself, man. Come on, please, man.
It's terrible, please. Serious.
So a song I do, a song I play then. A song I play.
You know some shit better piece of money.
Alright, a song I play.
Yeah, I saw it away now.
Eh? So, alright, just watch my style, yeah? Watch my style.
Daddy, me not like your style, you know.
Okay, man.
Okay, no. I'm upset.
Hey, same for same, eh? What I mean, they think I'm not see man go so.
Where am I not one business?
Mine will show him business. Same for same, you give me son. Same thing where you do me, same thing you are doing.
Rasta boy, please cut
We
your
are car
journey.
boy. We are car boy. Have manners, you know. I'm saying a big man for you, know. Have manners here. Same for same. A dirty style that. Dirty style that you have.
Good day, you come name team and you see. I come back, that's all no good for. Informer.
Same for same. Same for same. What I mean? The same thing where she do me, the same thing she do to you.
What should I do to you?
What I mean? Not take her a different man.
Daddy, listen, man.
Remember say when she there with me catch her with the rest of man, you know?
Yeah.
You know me say I come from the quad?
You say I come
Out of one bush, and me see one man took off so.
What's a shortcut
Like,
to, man?
what a shortcut to man I take one.
Daddy,
Everything,
listen,
same for same.
Listen now.
What the fuck, come out of my chair, go on.
corruption,
Come on, corruption I deal with what? Come out of my chair and go on here, so yeah. Wow. Same for same, I got never start calling.
Happy.
What do you mean if me happy? Because you not go on like say, I'm an IT type of good girl that.
Daddy, it's a nice
That,
guy.
but I know my daughter-in-law that door. I
truly
come out of the bush to go
I
while.
never see it.
You want to hear her? But I couldn't listen to the team. Hey, come out of my side. Come out of my side, man.
Daddy, you see,
You're a fool.
you see where I try, man.
You're a fool.
What,
Come out of...
so you have to fall in love? Eh? Daddy,
I fall in love. For you stand up in a lot. Mike, what the fuck? Excuse me. More on it. Same to same.
Yeah, man. You good, man. You good,
Close the door now, you. Oh, you alright? Not talking with me?
No.
Close the door, me say.
Daddy, I'm corruption thing.
No, me say, close the door.
You mind not?
The same to same. Dirty boy, yo. Hold on.
It's Sunday.
This way. Oh. Same the same. Watch out. What's some fucking shit?
Daddy,
How much pay him?
Deal. Relax, man. If you want me to a big man, no. Daddy come here with the same thing, boy. You see,
Yo, hello. The day I saw what I mean. So me take on
If me
yourself.
come out the bush.
Hello, take on yourself, man. When you come to big man with them argument there. Move from here.
So when you come to that, tell us
See me a laugh.
something.
See some look at me a laugh. Hello, move out of my face, me a big man. Here. Oi. Come go on outside. Come. No, I'm not going out away there. Go away there, man. Go away there. Go on under some mango tree or something. Under some almond tree. Tear off some almond tree leaf and go on. No respect. No respect for man. You hear that? Go on. You don't make me not have to talk to you again, you know. You hear me? Go on.
Just pull the door and start going like you be a big man.
So I am my father now. I am my father.
Boy.
Come on, take some out. Alright, come in. Come in now, no come in.
Daddy, stop going, son, man. You behave like a boy. You behave like a little boy, man. Stop going, son.
I'm going to come down till I don't want to come live in my place. Bro, I can't face it.
Hello. How are you there? Oh, I'm glad to say no over here. I'm rest of things that I come for. Because I'm done this time. This over. I'm rest of things that I come for. No, I don't care all of my stuff them. See me, I left me my good cologne them for a year or so. I come back for them, I come for my comb. I come for my shoes with the hand I bed. I it's a fun when I buy my one back. And when it broke down, I want it back. I come for it, yes. The car door should have broke off. It should have broke off. Car door pop. That broke me the one to broke off. He should have can't lock. He should have can't lock. One for my phone. Come over here to the end there. That is empty around for.
Yeah, I'm going back there now. I want to do so much for telephone.
One day, where are you going?
Nothing new, just the same old daddy and big daddy.
Normally when time music move yourself, somebody will do it because it won't happen now.
No, you're not about to give me this time. If I business will come over your family, you're not going to get here.
It's not really that much come over here. Just go check daddy with daddy there.
Daddy gonna follow you. Nanny know you step on now, make sure I'm missing up cars. And bad mind.
Why?
Eh?
You mean by
If I ever tell you things and fast,
yeah, go on.
I'm that fucking have to tell you. Good morning. Interview, my sister. Yeah, man, my sister.
How are you going so?
Oh, I'm a very friendly sir. And this I know you have to tell her now, so that
So you...
Oh,
daddy one.
Oh, yes, that's right. My daddy can't do that. You might mind me. He knows, he said me to learn after mistakes. Understand? This is his biggest mistake, and I'm learning after it.
Look at mistake. So,
the mistake, I'm learning after it.
how you so work with father and son?
You got to stuff go on the college.
No,
That's not the fucking shit.
yeah, so it's not yours, mine.
Sister, relax.
No, relax me. I saw Timmy about tell sister big one. Excuse you. If anybody come out of this for you, don't get bright.
Why nobody come inside? Daddy come here and want to chase me and you come here and want to
Listen me now, I don't chase, but respect you and your father and your father woman.
Yeah, but daddy never want it, so I take it. Daddy
I know some things work. It's the same thing when your father was born up in there, you want to go up in there.
My father likes it.
No. Listen, you want to talk to her. Talk to her. Talk to her, because me want her and push her out the door. And lock that girl in her face and can come in there. Me no business, just have to me. I feel me poop on it. And I'm here first one. No, so, also, one daddy not talk. and daddy still have you in there. What that show you say?
No, sir.
I am a big man. What that show you say?
No, man, daddy, daddy, you give me a man. Daddy, you know, say, 2 times over now.
Yeah, this is how I see you going there. Yeah, go on here. This is how I see that if you wish you. This is how I see her. Oh, we are call wish. You me a call wish. You. Me a call you wish. Okay, watch me.
Sit up.
No, she have to come out, you know. She have to come out.
Just see with that. What enough she have brain to? Just see with that. She have brain to.
What does that have to do with me?
She's sickly.
Oh, so you're going to pick up daddy trash.
No.
I trash that. No, that's no treasure. That's no treasure right there.
What enough she have brain to? She's sickly. Yeah.
That's what I
She's righteous.
You have brain too. Because you're not righteous.
Sister, if you're going to fight, you're going to get a couple.
I full promises this. My poopa. What she had do ya?
What's enough? Anyway. No,
I want the daddy to hear about that story.
What? You don't like to carry around.
Why? No. But what? Daddy see me. Daddy, I'm going to tell me. And daddy head sick. So I don't know daddy how she in the same way now. You don't know she's there.
Yes, daddy knows she's there. Some daddy know you so really the hand and half.
You want to walk this brother. Watch him. Walk this.
There, now come there. Sister, you have a report daddy, I'm going to have daddy. This go now.
Walk this like.
They must have never said no, we never go there with Trish boyfriend enough.
Trish, I know my sister.
Which but I friend, bro.
Which friend?
You're serious this time, you know. Because we're going with the Rasta man. See me and you know, my car, you know. Exalt himself, say you're him dead. It hurt me. But since you come back to me now and you apologize and say you need a second chance, me I get a second chance and I dance. But me no want you play the same song again when you play. Because the song can go sing so again. If me and you deal, me and you deal. You understand? Me have great plans here, man. You enjoy yourself last night?
Yeah.
Well, so you look like I know you don't wake up yet because I tell you, I see up on the dance floor, you know, I don't know where you drink the tequila. I wish I bartender them give that liquor there.
Yes, I go on very well. She like me so just like give me the liquor.
I tell you, cause last night was a night. So, well, that guy already still, so.
Yeah, anyways, every day, every night, I'm a panic mode. We can't know where I live now, a full time now. Like, we can't do the road thing every minute. We just know where you live.
Alright, fear is fear, you know. Because we are turning a new chapter, right? So by turning a new, I can't hear me when they bite them apart. That's why I don't really like the roadside. I don't live a roadside still. I sleep and I be a vehicle and I'm a dream. Me I hear different. Me I want truck. Me I dreams I want truck. Me I drive. Me I want bike. Me things I want bike. Me I saw the vehicle. I never roadside. Roadside I live in. Because I never really like live too much too far for the main one. Just jump in my car and zoops. So you know, fear is fear. Because when I can, I drop it on my yard. We down there for a while and I show you all the running stuff. So if you want to go and come, I can go and come same way. You understand? Alright. Come inside, man. You know what I mean? Because me I build the house. I build the house and now, so I best for us go and brace and all the vibes in the meantime. Because when you build wall house, you never said to go book no expensive house and spend not too much money. So
But it's alright still.
Yeah, man, I am them, man. I just go and build. You know what I mean? Look at TV on the wall and everything. So, you know, so a good vibration. The killer them, they're around us. Because they just don't wash it. So I wash it. It's a man like this and I say clean. So I wash all the pillar. So my time all the matches I feel like I want to wash, but it will take too long to dry. You know what I mean? So, but the new house though, I get everything new. The thing I'm going to just get where I don't want to do it. You know what I mean? See all the fun here. I want dream, me a dream, you know. And I get up and kick, you know. Never let me not sleep with nobody, you know, because my time and I might sleep with them. You know?
You want a dream?
Yeah. So I keep me kicking and the whole like shut up. I know it.
When it was alright still.
Yeah man, so you call us welcome to come here. You know what I mean? Today have a woman what day me and her break off. You know what I mean? And start it. You know what I mean? So I don't think me and her gonna get back so. Because when me and stop talk one day, me and her start talk. And then as me and her start off, we stop the same place. Now you know where I live and thing, right? Me know where you live. So we can just still live around at the place you want to. Yeah man, we can go back and forth. But you just check out. Alright? So we just go back around the yard.
Alright.
Oh, fucking hell. Boleh fit ni blessed.
How much are they?
Remember me there?
We don't think say me and you done, can you cuss me off a day?
Some foolish bun done. Show me cause you have me head done.
I don't understand man. You cuss me off and I go up on the road and come back to the back here. I don't see for 2-3 days. Almost a week. How you been there?
I got my father.
Because I look most find a replacement, you know, one girl up on my case, my ex come back for me, you know. And then we think say you're my ex and now you come back for me. Why all an ex man come back for me?
I remember you looking most for a replacement.
Alright, me not remember.
After 2 days, so quick you ready to move on.
No, because you cuss me off. Right? So you cuss me off, I think so I done it done. So I don't know how it goes.
No, it's not done so easy, it's just done. It's just done so easy. Me and you have an argument, that's it. Me go for 2 days to cool off. Me come back, now you can't talk about you nearly for a replacement.
But if you say, go ahead, dirty boy, you're done! You're done! You're done! Look like you don't want skin out here, you just show me. Dirty that! And you go on somewhere. So me feel say, you come out of the door, and when you slam the car door, me feel say you hold of the door, jump off where you lick the door like you hold all your strength and go. So me feel say, not to be lock the door, no lock the door, boom back around and flip 2 times and so the door flag when you lick your heart. And garage, me have to go with the garage man, then bend back with you. So anyway, turn off for that. If you say you come back, you come back. Anyway, come on for me because I'm sweaty. I'll go to bed. Huh? Yeah, come bed too. But I know you don't love bed so much time, you know.
Your face there.
Come then!
Right, baby.
Come!
But you tell me say you want me to come bed with them, man. Don't do that. Face there.
Wash off every look.
I want me to come bed with
You want to
them.
wash off everything off of you because I don't know where you're going with. I don't know where you go mingle with and where you go drive side up. So I wash off my crosses off everything you really want. I don't know what you want, you know.
Hello?
Hello?
Where the pan?
Me there man, me there me yard. Where you there?
Me there warm.
Oh, you know say me there come check your butt. Mother come check it today, but me I go on the road, me not go there boat.
Alright, me go there here.
You go there yard?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright then, me there come link you, but me I go on the road, so me not sure yet.
Alright then, just do it right. I'll be saying me go there here.
Alright.
Alright.
Me. So what the mission for today though?
Why you carry me? Good on my people them.
I left it down there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, call me out.
Say so.
No, because me have to go town.
Yeah, I told you.
You know, son, I'm bridging something wrong with the car, so I have to go check about transmission, you know? So I have to make some band look it up. So I have to check, I have to go to town. Because I know this original not have none. Is it? So, but me see you by tomorrow though. Because I'm going for a journey there. And late night I come now. By the time I reach back down, you're going to sleep. So in the morning, we come pick you up. Yeah, I know. I'm not calling them, man. I call her still, man. You understand? Yeah, man. So you ready?
Okay, I'm ready right now. I'm just over there. I'm checking.
Them belly full, but we hungry. Pot a cook, but the food no know. Rain a fall, but the dirty tough. Babe, I can't, let me think you're ready.
Ready, man. It's a nice people.
No, come back later. The sun hot now. Come on, lock up the door. Come on, shop the road. I want to be a piece of love in the sun hot here, see. Let's go. Yeah, man. I mean,
Where does it smell from?
huh? How it smell?
That one woman in here.
Mama, I have a new cologne.
Eh.
I can't tell Grand, I can't tell them make it. The name love the girl them, love them. So it have a smell like that. It's spraying in the house and the woman them feel welcome and them. You like it? You like the scent?
It smells like a woman. Like a woman in the bed.
Wow, you know. Me tell you, say the scent, you come through, man. Come from the bed. You know, woman, you're in there, you know?
In there, there.
The gym say last time, maybe that make it smell like a woman. So where are going from, man?
So you clean the house.
Oh, boy. Why, the way the sun hot, I say I don't want to give you one piece of loving, but you know, I go sleep first, then when I get up, I take do a shower, right? Then we do something. You're not tired?
You say, where's the front part?
Yes, we take a look at 5, and then we go bathe off, you come bathe with me too, you wash out if you wash out, and then we do what you do, alright?
Alright.
I don't take long, but I want 5 minutes sleep. Tired man, I drive for last night, I drive. You know. If you go buy an AC, but you know where you go. But I like to sweat though. When you sweat, this one. Hello. I lie. Right now, yeah, man, it can't work, man. We can't deal with fast, man. Yeah, man, yeah. Yeah, man, I'm not itch, man. Because I can't carry them, I'll just drop off that away. Alright? Yeah, man, right now. Yeah, what? No, it's an emergency, man. If I leave something for them, nigga. So money making thing, though. Somebody wants something to buy me, drop it off, you know, money can't much of the hell of money, you know. If you want to be there, come back, get up and be there. When we come back, we'll get straight into it. And I'll just go straight into it, alright? Alright. I can see so I'm gone.
2 minutes when I left the yard.
Oh,
I don't have a woman go down here, but being around them. So maybe she depend on the way. So maybe when she come back, she will come back.
Oh, I don't know money I made go for me left something around there. Because for my money, I'm going to town, you know, go drive up and down and carry some stuff. I go try make some money, you see me? So I done there now, so I just go pick up what I pick up. Because daddy be asleep tonight now. No, I want to sleep on the Nina today. I want daddy be asleep tonight. So I go for it and come back and I have a key.
Well, I always own a daddy, so I have no problem to sleep on there alone. But you can't come to your room still on there. You can't stand in a fear room. But anyway, I tell her, I'm going to check, but I see her down there. So I say, I'm not waste no time, I just back on a daddy. Yeah.
So, I swear I hear you and the woman on the phone and she tell us that she around there.
Yeah, she tell me that she around there, yes. But I don't know how she gone because I tell her that nobody come check her. So I tell her that I go on the road, so maybe she gone on the road too.
You still don't like her though?
Stop going saying.
You know why I don't like her? Because first, you know what it is. I'm good enough.
Wait.
Ready?
Yeah, action.
You know why me don't like her? Because first she there with daddy, then all of a sudden she there with you. What kind of woman that?
Well, I know, I'm and daddy they look at in the same period.
But she did there with daddy, she could never come and there with you.
You know you don't like it, girl, but let that thing to see. I understand, you say I go down here in my yard, and I just come from my yard, so I go back at my yard.
Busy, me don't like you to witch.
Later.
You can't wait for me for shop
No,
up
me now wait for you, son.
Buy you one drink so that when me come back.
Buy and carry come to my yard.
Wait for me for shop.
Yeah, man, me wait for you. Yeah, me wait for you, son, man. Go on, man.
Hello. Hi. What you do over here? Now you my brother walk up on and look for. Oh, so you take my father, you take my brother, and now you come to take my man too.
No, check him to the police. I don't know about it.
Wait there. I think you can
I'm going for the bed.
You can't come to this, wait. You call me brother. Yo bro, hello, ease up over there, so ease up over there, so. Yo bro. One call look at the woman this way I look for over my man yard, lie down in the bed and sleep. Yeah, hurry up and come. You know the photo I him come. I know that. Move me. Move me.
Can't come back here.
Move me. Yeah, move
and
me.
my man yard this, and me come spend the day with my man.
You know what I want to eat that? You come here, you know see woman things. Look good. How if you be your man? How much money you want so? How much man you can hold so? You have to stop it there. You're poor. You're too poor.
Who like you?
Oh, one man may take on a tree. So poor.
Girl, let's look at me.
Father, brother, and no brother-in-law. What happened to you? I want to say, what you have?
Girl, you irritate my spirit.
Move me. Don't listen. Stay down there, so stay far from me.
Exclude that one from a gear back.
Look.
Yes, yes.
Look here.
Bless it. Alright, please, man.
Hey, I'm a man yard because she watch her she hide. Yes, because she should spread out in the bed and sleep. Watch her hide. No hide. You just big and boy, come on yourself. No hide. See me, I own this.
Come on, son. Mama, turn up this. Come on, sister, you're not going to relax. She's not going to relax. That's crazy. Mama.
Let's go somewhere.
I'm a man yard.
Wait. Listen.
Me I defend my man. What she doing here?
After me tell her my mind then when me gonna take you defend your man. You understand? Defend your man when me gonna defend your man on there. So, anyways, I'm better than that. Listen. What me I said to you is that when Gus Obama say link me this man and tell me say nah I'm gonna win. I'm frightened if you come see you over here so. You're a man of the Rasta man. You're a man of the Rasta man.
Shut up, mouth. You did come here. You ask for me over here.
Me come see you.
You come see me. You don't see me. I do nothing. You don't see me now, man. I come see me your big back sister.
You know she call me.
Big back sister.
You know, say me not going like. Watch out now. Sis. No kill him.
Hey, let that girl let me go.
Wait. Move. Let me come to tool.
Easy. Kill. Sure. That girl let me go.
Come now. Prisoner. Police. Officer.
Let me go. Okay, all fine.
Just kill. Come on.
Let me see who come on. Let me go.
Alright, sis, me tell you girls
Come on. Wait for me, are you? Come back.
Wait, sister. You have to calm. You understand? Mama, put the door in your hat. Alright, you hear me now? You understand? Because you call me this morning, I tell you say they pan roads in, I'm say to you say yo. Alright, I don't think me I come check you. So just go and clutch out for you. I'm come up with some weed man. Come see you with man in my sister man house.
You listen with the man?
Alright, listen.
Did you see me with the man?
Watch out, listen. Just call no, watch out with no violence. You're not working no violence. You understand? You hear me I say to you now. Just call it at the understand because me can't me can't hear my man.
Did you see me man? Did you see with the man?
You done man.
Alright, come out now.
Sister, be with her.
Come out.
Easy, come out.
Girl, come out.
You say come out, I'm not moving.
Me say come out.
Action.
Go on.
Frightened.
Oh, me not tell you something now, go there, where there come back.
You tell me say you not go there, but you can't tell over here.
Listen up. Man, tell her when they tell me say done, they tell her say me there get a replacement because and she.
And
so,
come back so a replacement for
no, me invite her to tell her say boy over. But when she comes, she says she tired, so I say go and sleep. So me by later, I'm gonna tell her
where tell me say you go?
Because you know what's there. You say me left her here. No, because something wrong. So me go to Ray. You now be right amount of money. Figure buy this. So I'm a try run up and I'm gonna try get. So we just come park the car and I come back in and relax.
Relax with her?
No, she got more. Me go relax and she go home. But she won't come and
let me ask you something. The girl we having, you know who she be?
Yes, I know her for a good while now.
You know who she man's?
No, you know. She went there to a Rasta man. That's why I left her.
You know the Rasta man are who?
No, I'm
my
no.
father.
Liar tell.
And you know who in there with now? My brother.
Liar tell. Because the girl kept saying on nobody.
I have to call my brother over here and come catch me now. One this sit there with him and me and my brother in there now.
Oh boy.
First she there with my father. I'm gonna go with my father introduce me to him, say I'm a stepmother. Next time I go back my brother introduce her to me, say I'm a sister-in-law.
But me tell her, they're not there one at a time. And then me there on the road and a Rasta man approach and I say, Ray. So I say, since the Rasta man I say you and him there, she say no, she Rasta man no there, say Rasta man and him brother. But me pick up sense and nonsense because the way man I go on, me know say it was them there. So I left her just up. But after you say me and you left now, I see her on the road and she beg me, please take her back. And I say, alright then. Since we single now, because you say we done, me say them and take her back.
Oh, so
then as we come back at there again, so but me know say your family them because remember first time I say I want to meet family, meet a man no like in the family meeting things. Can me see what family do to family, so I say me no like the family business some of the time. So I say me no want to meet your family, but you better meet your family because I don't know say are your pa there with him, there with her. You understand? But anyway, it's good though, for you push him out it's good because me that if me
push him out and beat me.
Because I know say you come back so I go tell her I say here we go on now. The ex come back, ex-man come back.
Which ex-one? Where ex-one?
No, you ain't left me so.
No, me left for 2 days. Me never know ex.
No, but if I say it's done.
Mean say done, no mean say done.
Alright. You know for that, we don't want to argue. Because I don't like the argue business. Right? Come on for the road. So make us relax. Go and go cook something. Put up strength in my back, I can't work by your car. You know, it's a heavy load.
I work when you can we have over in your bed asleep.
Go and cook something, man. I'll cook something. I'm going to what you want tonight. I have to go get it, so I'm going to size up myself and myself. Cook something, bro. Cook something. Cook something. One day, I'll lock the car. There's one for the place, man. I'll lock the car. Cook slow, bro. Yeah, man. That show there. Yeah, one of them type of show there, man. I like, so I like it. You know what I mean? Leave a comment. Big up the actors, them and actresses and the cast member. You know, it's a fight. It's a war. And we are fight it. You know? We soon get it right, though. You know what I mean? So, we now feel disappointed in ourselves. Knowing where we're coming from. From nothing to something. So, we not reach at something yet. But we're there. I do the work from nothing. So it's serious because lots of people across the island want to get into this movie field and we're not in it yet. We want the in it so we can bring in more people in it. So we don't want to do it like now because now what we are doing now is not over hand to mouth. It's hand to bills and to keep the thing going and to not failing. You know what I mean? So that we depend on now try fight the war. And we know we shall succeed in this movie thing what we're doing, right? And I don't like the word succeed, you know. Better we say we shall achieve then what we want out of it. You know what I mean? I don't like the word there. We're going to try to succeed. I don't know what to say out of it because everyone I word them kind of sound funny. Alright, we go achieve what we achieve out of it. Alright, we now go too further. Anyway. Big up all the sponsor them from that time. Because we not no sponsor for this time, you know. We not get no sponsor now, we not get no donation. No people don't understand how to donate. Or you donate, you just WhatsApp I straight. And then you send it to Western Union, MoneyGram, RIA, all of them good stuff there. Make we can put some things into place. Because it take a time and take a war. For the deal with this still, because I tell you. We have been through some days and we're still going, you know what I mean? It's more than what meet the high. It's a war to get this content up and running, you know what I mean? Because if you know Jamaica, you know Jamaica stay. Because if we're doing the same thing in Africa, would that be more successful? May I tell you 100%. If we're doing, my rephrase what I say again. If the amount of work that I did in Jamaica, if I do the same work somewhere in the Caribbean, if I do it over Trinidad, anywhere I do else in the world, I think I would have been better off. You know what I mean? If I do it at Panama, I would have been better off. You know what I mean? So, but this is my country. Still, we are fight for the betterment of this country. So, we are do it regardless of the struggle and the fight. And every Jamaican know me I talk about, say, here is not an easy place and here is not a place where you can say, right? It's a rough place. That's why you find the best out of this country, you know, because out of pressure, bring diamonds and gold. So that's where you find so much resilient people. Because if it's to make it in Jamaica, you have to go through the world and back. You understand? So give thanks to the support. Big up all of the people that are calling from time to time. Word of encouragement. Big up on yourself. You know what I mean? All of them get to talk to you a long process of time. We just know so one love same way. You know what I mean? Yeah man. So big up all of the people that are out in the world. We still look for some donation and now. So if you know in one position where you can donate, please do so. This is not a scamming. This is not a scam. Because at the end of the day, you see the work. Alright? You see the work and you see say, we can do 100 times better, but if the money is not there, it's gonna seem fertile. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? So we have here war. Forget the thing up and running to survive. You know what I mean? So a lot of people me incorporating the movie them because that's how movie is. And I don't want to short change it. Most of the time I think I could use more people, but still I have to try my best. Alright? So anyway, we still do it and we do it for the love because I don't like to get the money on tight. Really? We do it for the love, right? Yeah. So anyway, where they are going with it. But anyway, check out them 2 cars and tell me which one them I want to buy. Right? Yeah man, because it's a business I look forward for advertise. But differently from that, I'm going to do more advertising for different stuff. And I'm going to start put them in the movie. For, you know, for introduce the stuff that I'm going to so if you have a product or anything you want to advertise, please do so. Yeah man, link me up, advertise it. Because we'll start with the advertisement in the movie itself. That means you get a more wider range. You know what I mean? Just like how the commercial them come in at the movie. You know, we're going to try job 1 and 2 for yourself in the movie itself. Make, you know what I mean? Because we have to try to find a way to make ends them meet. You know? Because the ends them not really meet. We just do it because we love the movie. No money not depending like that. You know what I mean? Oh, no. Big up Empress Tree. Because I'm the fan day 1 and him know where I go. You know what I mean? Anyway, let's go. Burn it down. Let's go. Oh, which one do I like? Which one do I want to buy? Make the contact, man. Make we see what can go on. We have some more soon coming in, you know. Yeah, and if you have a vehicle you want to sell to, send in, make you know what go on. Let's go.